Top 5 Best Portable Washing Machines 2019 Reviews. Not everyone wants or needs a full-size washing machine. Some people live in apartments or in small homes that simply aren't large enough to house a big washing machine, and other people simply don't want to spend upwards of $500 on a full-capacity washer. In those instances, the best portable washing machine can be a great way for a person to get their clothes clean and do it without dedicating space or money to a large machine. Of course, just because a washing machine is small and portable doesn't mean that it's perfect for a person to buy. When it comes to these machines, there are a few things that need to be considered. That's why we've decided to go ahead and list 10 of the best portable machines, along with a handy buying guide. Now everyone can get a machine. 5 Super Deal Compact Mini Washer. This machine touts itself as one of the lightest and smallest twin-tub portable washers, and that just might be the case. This machine is only 14.6 x 14 x 22 inches in size, and it weighs under 14 pounds. Even though it's small, it's still capable of doing quite a bit of laundry, however. This machine is capable of washing up to 5.5 pounds of clothing or spin-dry 4.4 pounds of clothing. This machine also has features that many people look for in a portable washer. For example, it has clear sides that allow the wash cycle to be monitored, has a 15-minute wash cycle and 5-minute spin cycle, and it provides 4 Jontex Mini Compact Washing Machine. This portable washing machine might be small, but it more than delivers enough power to handle most people's laundry needs. It has a wash tub section that has a capacity of 11 pounds and a spin dryer tub that has a capacity of 6.6 pounds. It also features a 15-minute wash cycle and a 5-minute spin cycle. Although the size of the spin tub is half the size of the wash tub, which requires loads to be split in half for spin drying, it's still capable of quickly handling most loads of laundry effectively. And that makes 3 Lavrio Portable Clothing Washer. Although some people may take issues with this washer being in the number 3 position on our list because it's a manual machine, it's a great washer. Sure, this product doesn't use electricity and therefore requires the user to manually agitate the clothing during wash, but it also means that it can be used more places than other portable washing equals machines can be used. This is a portable and lightweight device that uses less water than most machines and will get clothes clean in about 20 minutes. It's great for people who have only a few items to wash and don't have access to Panda 1.6 cubic foot compact washer. This machine uses an ordinary 110-volt electrical outlet for its electrical supply and can be connected directly to a faucet for its water supply. This allows it to be used in a variety of different locations. Once installed, this machine has a 1.6 cubic foot capacity that can clean up to 11 pounds of clothing quickly and easily. This machine has a stainless steel drum that's more durable than most portable washing machines and resists rust and chipping. It also has 10 different washing programs and 8 different water levels for the user's convenience. These features make this a great machine for use in dorms, RVs, apartments or homes. Use in dorms, RVs, apartments or homes. 1 Panda 11-pound portable washer. Anyone searching for the best portable washing machine is going to love the Panda PAN 56 MGW2. That's because this unit is small enough to fit into small houses, apartments, dorms or RVs, but is constructed in much the same way as a full-size washer. It features a durable stainless steel tub that resists both rust and chipping, and it has electronic controls with an LED display. It also has 10 different washing programs and 8 different water levels for the user's convenience. And since it only requires a standard electrical outlet, a drain, and a water faucet connection, it can be installed virtually anywhere.